You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression from the law. It's a legal term if you want to learn more Latin expressions, including from the legal topics. Make sure to stay tuned. I have more videos for you. Two different pronunciations. In absentia, which is the more Latin sounding pronunciation, that's more like it would be said in Latin. In absentia, it's also correct, being a more English pronunciation, to say in absentia, in absentia, or in absentia, two correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.